How to add a page on Google Docs. So first is to place your cursor where you want the page to be inserted. So say for example, I want another page to be inserted after Sing. So after that, go to Insert menu, which is found on the upper left portion of your screen. And then go to Break and select Page Break. Now, as you can see, a page has been created after Sing. So again, to add a page, just place your cursor where you want the page to be inserted. So say for example, I want another page to be inserted after Breath. Click Insert, go to Break, and then click Page Break. And now this page has been created, which contains this message. Or you can also use your keyboard by pressing Command and then Enter. And so that is how you add a page on Google Docs. Thank you and have a great day.